The boot error on your Spectrum Arris cable box signifies a startup failure. Your box is stuck in a reboot loop, displaying boot on the screen instead of proceeding to the home menu. This often results from software glitches, such as firmware issues, power supply problems, or outdated software. According to Spectrum, most boot loop issues, about 80 to 90%, are software-related and can be fixed without needing a replacement. The core issue lies in the device's initialization phase, where the embedded operating system fails to load properly. Key causes include failed firmware updates, power outages, loose cable connections, and overheating. First, make sure all of your cables are connected correctly. If the issue persists, continue to the next section. Start with basic troubleshooting by power cycling your Arris box. Unplug it from the power outlet for at least 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This soft reset often resolves temporary glitches. Ensure all cable connections are secure. Check the coax cable from the wall, HDMI cable to your TV, and power connection to the outlet. Loose connections can cause boot loops. If the problem persists, try a hard reset. Locate the reset button on the back or side of the box and press it for 10 seconds using a paperclip if needed. This clears the system cache. If these steps don't work, contact Spectrum customer support. They can remotely diagnose the issue and may push a firmware update or recommend a replacement. Activating automatic reboots via the Spectrum app can prevent future loops. Access the app settings to enable this feature for scheduled maintenance. If you are still having the issue, consider contacting Spectrum and asking for a replacement. Persistent boot loops may indicate a hardware problem requiring a new device.